Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Nightlife Bartenders, another bar tip for you. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to calm an angry crowd down. And this is particularly going to be in a nightclub setting. Well, at least the way that I explain it, because I work in a nightclub. But you can also use this, I would imagine, at other bars, maybe sports bars that are very busy. You definitely could. But basically any bar where you have a high capacity of people coming in, high volume, to the point where the entire bar is swarmed. If you're working at a place like this, you can use this technique to calm the crowd down, and as a result, you will earn more tips for it. I've done it before, and I've noticed that I've earned more tips. So this is going to be some good, juicy information for you. A lot of value within this video. So basically, let me put you into a scenario. You're at a bar. Again, the bar is completely swarmed with customers. You're making drinks, and you look up and you realize, wow, this is getting crazy. There's a lot of people leaning over the bar. You know, they're waving at you, trying to get your attention. There's like 7 different groups trying to do that to you. They're waving their money, and you notice they're actually starting to lean over a little bit more. You know, it's getting more aggressive. So what do you do in this situation? You know, a lot of people, they're getting angry because you're not serving them quick. They don't care, you know, because they're drunk, most likely. They don't care that you're very busy. You know, they want their drink, you know. And it's kind of understandable when you think about it. A lot of these people, you know, they work all week long and they have come out for the weekend, and now they want to spend their money and go out and drink and dance and socialize with their friends. They don't want to be standing there for too long waiting for their drinks. So this is a good technique for you to use in this situation. So again, the bar is completely swarmed. You're making drinks. This is what you do in order to calm the crowd down. Okay, so you just take a step back like this, and you look at everybody. So you look right, you look left, and you just say something along these lines. This is what I do. I say, I got you guys. I got you guys. Give me 1 second. I'm coming your way. I got 3 people ahead of you, then I got you. I got 2 people ahead of you, then I got you. I see you. I didn't forget about you. You're next. What can I grab you? And then you conduct yourself, or then you start taking orders and trying to make them as fast as humanly possible. So the reason why you do this, the reason why this skill is so valuable is because when you acknowledge people, it calms them down. So instead of them having to lean over the bar and aggressively wave their money in your face, like, hey bartender, I need a drink, I need some drinks, they'll feel acknowledged, and then they'll just calm down a little bit. You know, they'll just stand at the bar now that they've been acknowledged, and go back to their conversation with their friend. You know, they know that you've spotted them and that you're going to make your way over to them, so they feel at ease. And when they feel at ease, and when you put them at ease, they feel more inclined to tip you. Okay? Also, what was I going to say? Yeah, so this is basically a really good technique, and you know, by the time you're done with you know, that row of people that were waiting very impatiently, and once you calm them down, once you serve them drinks, they recognize what you just did. You know, they've seen that you stepped back and you took time to acknowledge everybody. You know, it takes about 3, 4, 5 seconds. You know, not that long. Okay. But when they see that, they know that you're on it. You know, they know that, hey, this guy's busy, but he's still like acknowledging people. He's still communicating with people. And when it comes time for them to tip, you know, when they write their credit tips or give cash, they'll give a little bit more because they know that you're really busy and you're trying your best. Okay, there's a lot of bartenders out there that don't use this technique, and what they do is that they just continue making drinks with their head down, not paying attention to no one. They're just one after another. Okay, you're next. Make the drink, make the transaction, and then the next guy. Okay, what do you want? You know, it's very minimal bartending. A lot of bartenders do that, but this technique, if you use this, if you implement this technique into your workflow, as a result, you will have more tips because of it. Now that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I talk about anything and everything that has to do with bartending. So yeah, that should do it. Well, you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.